Once upon a time, in a cozy little house on the quiet street of Marigold Lane, lived a mischievous baby named Lily. Lily was no ordinary baby. She was clever, quick, and had a knack for getting into harmless trouble. One sunny morning, Lily's parents had to step out for some errands, leaving her under the watchful eyes of her golden retriever, Spark, who happened to be snoring soundly in his basket. As the midday sun shone brightly, three clumsy thieves named Tom, Dick, and Harry, who were infamous in the neighborhood for their bumbling burglaries, crept towards Lily's house. With tools in hand and bundled in oversized black clothing, they tiptoed through the open garden gate, eager for easy pickings. Unbeknownst to them, Lily was in the living room, busy stacking her colorful building blocks. Her intuitive sense tingled when she heard soft footsteps approaching. With a sly grin that would have made any parent suspicious, Lily decided to play a game. After all, what's fun without a bit of mischief? As Tom, the bravest of the three, started to open the back window, Lily crawled over and flicked the switch of their automatic sprinkler system. Water burst from the garden, drenching the trio. Startled and soaked, the thieves yelled in frustration, but Lily just giggled from behind her blocks. Next, as they regrouped and entered through the door, they found themselves in a living room full of toys strewn about, a perfect trap. Lily, perched behind the sofa, tossed her bouncy balls at them. Dick stepped on one, leading to an acrobatic tumble over the couch, while Harry got tangled in the string of a toy helicopter. Despite their growing frustration, they attempted one more push towards the treasure. But little Lily had a plan. She pushed a button hidden under the couch that played her dad's collection of loud rock music. The sudden noise startled the thieves. The thieves clumsily tripped over each other, causing a domino effect, and found themselves in a heap sprawling under the houseplant. At this moment, Spark finally awoke, barking loudly at the odd interruption, and the commotion didn't go unnoticed by the neighbors. Within minutes, the police arrived to find Tom, Dick, and Harry tired, tangled, and utterly defeated. As the police led the defeated trio away, Lily giggled cheekily, waving from the doorway with Spark at her side.